Hello everyone, welcome back to Fire E Training. My name's Alan Davis, and some of you are having trouble with FCDICE, so I want to make this quick video to show you how you can see all the courses that you've taken and these certifications that need renewal. So after I created this original video, the Fire College, which is the Bureau of Fire Standards and Training, posted this on FCDICE. And this is just another way for you to be able to see all the tabs in FCDICE. So if we click Alt-X, and then we go to Compatibility View Settings, and then you just type in up here, FloridaStateFireCollege.org, and then hit Add, you're all set. You'll be able to see all the tabs and be able to take advantage of all the features by seeing your all the courses that you've taken and do all the renewals and everything. Now keep in mind that really the only browser that works correctly is Internet Explorer. You can use Chrome and Safari and all that, but you're not going to be able to see all the tabs. The only way you're going to be able to see all the tabs is by using Internet Explorer and then doing this method, which is in the yellow box, or the one that I'm going to explain further in this video. So if you log into FCDICE and you get to this point right here, you can see that there's not a lot of different features. So what you'll do is you'll go up to the Tools tab. It's this gear thing, and then you click that, and you go down to where it says F12 Developer Tools. Click that, and this pop-up will show, and you want to be on the Emulation tab right here. Now if you click this drop down where it says Document Mode, I always click either 7, 8, or 9, and then watch what happens. See, all these tabs open up here. So I'm going to bring that down. And then if you want to see all the courses that you've taken, you just go to History, and then All Course History. Now watch. All the courses that you've taken will show up right here. That's how you can check to see if I posted your course on FCDICE. Now if you have any certifications that need renewal, then you go to the Renewal tab right here, and you click Renewal Evaluation, and then you can see what you need to do to renew your certifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and be safe.